Hello everybody, I want to thank you watching this video and to protect or to remove some temporary files from our hard disk in order to keep up our drive from failure. Most of the time, if our hard drive feel like this, shows a red color, it shows that as it is reaching on the risk. So in order to protect from from filling up this hard disk, we have to delete some unimportant or unnecessary files from our hard disk. So these courses or this training or this tutorial taking as a part of preventive maintenance. So in order to delete our temporary files from our hard disk, in order to resize or increase or enlarge our hard disk, we will go to the start button and click setting. When the setting clicked, then it's by default on the storage. Of course, if it's shown, the picture is not shown like this, you can click on the storage and the storage will show this one of the drive, especially the active drive where our operating system installed, and it shows the amount of space used by different categories of our files. For example, if a system and reserved one have up to 233 GB, it depends on your PC, and the other file like this and application and features hold some amount of hard disk, and the desktop files can also hold some amount of hard disk. And on the documents side also, as it's shown here, today we will see how to remove these temporary files. So after, of course, if it is not calculated, it may take some time to calculate this one, and after that we will click on the temporary files. So the temporary files, when we click on that, some temporary files are needed by apps, will be scanned, and the PC will show for us what type of temporary files are there. And after the scanning is completed, what type of temporary file we have, it's shown here. As you see on the list, there is temporary internet files. So when always we browse our Explorer, Internet Explorer, you can see it here. For example, on the history, it cuts a lot of our URL or addresses, then it takes some spaces. So always, if we want to clear, we can click in such a way. We have to click the history and the history, and the clear browse and browse data shown here. As it is shown, the browsing history is around 1024 items, and download items shows cookies and cached image. As you see, it's cached image and files, it's around 200 megabytes, and password, some auto fields, and site location, and so on. It cuts. If we want to clear up, it can clear, and it's clear up certain amounts of file from our internet browser. If we use more than one internet browser, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Opera, or something else, we have to clear up our history in order to save some amount of space from our disk. So let's go back to the temporary file. On the temporary file, as shown, the temporary internet file here, and download. Most of the time we should not select this one because some downloaded files reside on this document. So if we manually select this, it will be removed. So we have to take care of this, and there are some Microsoft Defense antivirus, the environments, and delivery of the transition file. In this case, currently unused file, we have to take care of this sometimes. Even though we currently the files are not opened, we may need it like this or such cases. We should not be select to be, or it depends on your interest. And there are some directory shader caching, and this is a caching, and cycling has my interest, and it's totally calculated, and it removes up to this amount of hard disk. So then I can say remove the file. So in such a way we can delete our temporary file in order to save, or in order to clean up some parts of our hard disk. Thank you for your attention. On the next time I will show you some more method how to clean up our hard disk in order to keep from drive failure. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe and like our video. Thank you.